Hey guys, I hope you're doing okay with all of this. This can be a really scary time. It's a very historical time. Thinking from the social studies perspective, you're going to remember this for a long time. But we're doing what we need to do to keep us safe and to keep us healthy. So I really appreciate the work that you've put in today. So many of you have done so well on your quiz, have done so well following the directions. But I did want to go through the directions because there are a few people that need some reminders. So there are three things you need to be looking at every day. One is your daily Google Doc that's sent in your email. Okay. There's a video link right here that you can click to actually help you organize, and it can actually make it a lot easier. It's, crossing things out and things like that, to help you stay organized, because a lot of you are skipping steps. A lot of you are skipping step 3. Okay, so that's what I want you to keep in mind. If you just go to the Google Classroom for today and you see, okay, I have my quiz, I have a video, you don't know what to add to student slides. A lot of you have been adding a screenshot of your video, of your quiz to your social studies student slides. So that's where you got to be careful. These are your student slides, right? It looks like this. Okay, don't guess what you're putting in there. Read the directions. It will tell you exactly what you need to put in. Today, it was write 1 to 2 important ideas from the video in today's slide 2, and today's date in slide 2, right? So if you added a screenshot of your quiz, go back and change that, please, because that's just going to get confusing later, and I want to make sure we really get the idea of this today. Another thing that's optional, please let me know if you like this or if you don't. This is, me and Miss P were doing something like this. I think Miss Irk might be too. Just, in my opinion, an easier format to follow, but I also don't want it to get confusing because you have the exact same thing here. So please let me know if that gets confusing at all. So the 3 things you need to look at every day are this, your directions, step by step. You guys are learning, you're doing good. I just want to get us on track the first day, because otherwise it'll be harder to get on track later in the game, right? And I know spring break's next week, so I just want to get us on track, and then you can have your super exciting break, maybe probably at home. But then these are your resources for the day. So today it was Thursday. You won't see Friday on yours. It'll just show up as Thursday. Tomorrow you will see Friday, and it will look like that with different resources that you need. And then you will pretty much every day be adding to your social studies student slides with the date. And you do have to stay on top of that, because I'm going to say add to slide 5, add to slide whatever. So yeah, sorry we're not at school. Some of you might be happy about it, but I know a lot of us are, feeling a lot of uncertainty and a lot of stress over everything that's going on in the world. But, we're doing what we have to do, and just know that you're part of something that is a really, really important, thing for the world, that we're all having to do together to protect other people. So yeah, please do not hesitate to email me, and let me know if you like video instructions, written instructions, and whether or not you want these slides still, or if you want to just have it in the Google Doc, because it's too many things. All right, thanks.